you want to save hundreds of dollars on banking fees and get a $200 sign-up bonus, what would you do with an extra $200? Invest in the stock market, save up for a house, pay off debt, something along those lines. In today's video, I'll show you how easy it is for you to sign up for a simply no-fee checking account and get your $200 sign-up bonus. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. My name is Charlie Wayne, and on this channel, we like to talk about personal finance. If you want to lower your expenses and increase your income to ultimately achieve financial freedom, well, this is the right channel for you. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below and the bell icon to get notified when new videos like this come out. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Alright, so this is the Simplii Financial website on my desktop. It might look different on your mobile. I'm going to scroll down to accounts. Scroll down to no fee checking account. No monthly fee with no minimum balance. Free daily banking, unlimited debit purchases, bill payments and withdrawals. Send money for free with Interac e-transfer. Free access to over 3,400 CIBC ATMs across Canada. That's the one. Are you an online bank client? No. Next. No fee checking account. No overdraft protection. Next. Resident of Canada, yes. No. Next. Intended use. Expenses. Next. Alright, these questions get a bit personal, so we're going to skip this part of the video. Alright, once you submitted your application, you'll get an email and it'll tell you where to go from there. Make sure you open this account before July 31st. Step 2. Then within 90 days of opening your account, set up a payroll or a pension deposit and receive 2 deposits that are $10 or more, or set up and complete 2 different automatic bill payments that are $10 or more for at least 2 months. I'm going to set up direct deposit with my employer. This is the hard part.
A few moments later.
Perfect. And that's it. Now you wait for your $200 to come in. And while you're waiting, you can use your new no-fee checking account. And if you don't want to use it, and you just want $200, that's fine. We call that bank account churning. We'll learn more about that in the next video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button below and the bell notification to get notified when new videos like this come out. If you got any questions, comment them below. Until next time, peace.